Welcome back, my dear students. I hope the previous video made all the questions clear to you. Do like and subscribe my channel if you like the videos made by me. Now today we are going to do question number 5. Write the following decimals as fractions. Two parts are there. First part is write the following decimals as fractions. Second part is reduce the fractions to lowest form. So let us start the question. The question is write the following decimals as fractions, reduce the fractions to lowest form. So first of all, we will convert the decimal into fraction. Now we are going to do the reverse part of the previous question. So let us first convert it into fraction. So what do we do? As you can see, after the decimal only one digit is there. So you know, for one digit we'll take 1 0 in the denominator, that is 10. If the digit after the decimal is single digit, we'll take single 0 in the denominator, that means 10. If there are two digits like 66 hota hai yahan par, then after decimal 2 are there, we'll take 100. So like this. So because single digit is there in the denominator, we'll take 10 and 06. 06 means 6. Okay, the 0 in the beginning has no value. So now this is the first part we have done, decimal into fraction. Now what we have to do, reduce the fractions to lowest form also. To reduce it into lowest form, you have done in your previous class, dear students. Reduce for फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑलवेज रिमेंबर टू रिड्यूस एनीथिंग. किसी भी चीज़ को अगर हमें छोटा करना है, छोटा करने के लिए बेटा हमेशा डिवाइड किया जाता है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, अगर मेरे पास एक वाटरमेलन है एंड इफ़ आई वांट टू रिड्यूस इट, इसके मुझे छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स करने हैं, तो मैं क्या करूँगी, नाइफ लूँगी, इसको वेरियस पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दूँगी. सो सेम ईयर, टू रिड्यूस दिस fraction into the lowest form, we will divide it, and if we'll divide the numerator, we have to divide the denominator also with the same number. Now check 6 and 10, that is numerator and denominator, both are the multiples of 2. दोनों 2 के टेबल में आते हैं. So we will divide it by 2. We'll divide numerator and denominator by 2. So what do we get? When we'll divide 6 by 2, so what do we get? 3, and 10 divided by 2 will get 5, right? So we can do it in this form, or we can do it directly. Or हम क्या कर सकते थे डायरेक्ट, 6 by 10, both are multiples of 2, we can cut them. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So we can do this cutting also, because as you are moving to higher classes, learn this method to solve the questions. Okay, so now right now it's your wish. If you want to do in this way, you can go with this method, or you can reduce the fraction by direct cutting also. Now let's do the second part. So this is the answer. Let's do the second part, 2.5. First of all, let us convert the decimal into fraction. Now we'll take 25, we'll remove the decimal, because after the decimal only one digit is there. Decimal के पीछे one digit है, so we'll take only 1 0, that is 10. So this is the fraction we have converted. We have done the first part, decimal to fraction. Now let us reduce it. Here 5 is 1's digit, here 0 is 1's digit. तो it shows that both are the multiples of 5. दोनों 5 के टेबल में आते हैं. Both can be divided by 5. So either you can divide both by 5, और हम direct cutting भी कर सकते हैं. So by doing the cutting, by reducing it, we can write 5 कितने से 5? 5 5s are. 5 कितने से 10? 5 2s are. So in this way also, right? Now next is 1.0. Again, now 0.0. Let us remove the decimal. We'll take 10 divided by. because after the decimal 0 is there, one digit is there, so we'll take 1 like this. So 10 ones are 10, we'll get 1. We can directly write it as 1.0. Directly we can write it as 1 also, because after the decimal if only 0 is there, it has no value. 1.0 means 1. हम डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते थे इसे. Now 3.8, again remove the decimal, the number becomes 38. Now because after the decimal one digit is there, so we'll take 1 0, that is 10. Now 8 ones digit, 0 ones digit, both are even numbers, means both can be divided by 2. 2 से divide कर सकते हैं. So if I am dividing numerator, तो denominator को भी 2 से करेंगे. So you can direct कट करना आता है तो कट करें, अदरवाइज 38 को 2 से डिवाइड करके देख लें. 2 ones are 2, you will get 1, carry 8, 2 9s are 18 and 0, that means 19. You can do in this form. और अगर आपको टेबल्स आते हैं तो 19 2s are 38 होता है, so we can write 19 upon 2. 10 when divided by 2 will get 5. तो हम डायरेक्ट कटिंग से भी कर सकते हैं. We can do it in this form also. Hope it is clear to you. You can apply both, either of the method. Now let us do this part. 13.7. First of all, remove the decimal. We'll get 137. 137 divided by. Now after the decimal only one digit is there, so we'll take 1 0, that is 10. Right? Now 7 is odd, 0 is even. Both are not divisible by 2, not by 5. 137 approximately is a prime number, so we can't reduce it further. So this is the answer. Then next 21.2. So first step, what is the first step? Remove the decimal. The number becomes 212 divided by. Now after decimal only one digit is there, so take 1 0, place 1. Now check, its ones digit is 2, its ones digit is 0. Both are even numbers, means we can reduce them by dividing them by 2. दोनों even है तो दोनों को हम 2 से divide कर सकते हैं. So you can divide it by 2 ones are 2, right? For 1 ना जाने की 0, then 2, ये 12 इससे combine हो जाएगा, 2 6 are 12. You can divide by doing like this also, right? So 2 5s are 10. So now you can see further if it can be reduced, we will reduce it further, but this is the answer. Now 6.4. So first step, what is the first step? Remove the decimal. So number becomes 6.4 becomes 64 divided by. Now again single digit is there after the decimal. So if single digit is there, so we'll take 1 0, that means 1. Now its ones digit is 4, its one digit is 0. Both are even numbers. So again we can divide them by 2 to reduce. I told you to reduce anything, division must be done. छोटा करने के लिए divide किया जाता है. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Sorry, 2 2s are 4 divided by 2 5s are 10. So this is the answer. Or we can do it directly, like 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So answer will be 32 by 5. So dear students, in this way you can use either of the method to solve the question. Any of the method can be done to reduce the fractions into lowest form.